evidence from the introductory robotic class. As evidence, at this stage, we were asked to program a robot in Logic. The problem posed in the following is Lumia of Monterrey has four companies. Each of them has four production lines for lamps. In one of them, its production has currently decreased by 20%. The head of human resources and operation made a survey to find the reason for low production. The survey showed that the problem is due to the fact that the operators were not aware of the arrival of materials to the production line, so the production of the product did not start on time.
To start programming our bot so that it can go through the four production areas. First, we will take a DC motor. This will allow us to control the speed at which the robot moves. With a click on the lower right part of the command, a tab will be displayed with which we can control the robot. We will turn on bot engines by clicking on the white box at the top of the left side of the box, and what we want is for it to go forward, so we will leave the engine as it is and confirm. With the two Fs showing in the command, we will know that the robot will go ahead.
Note to see that it continues to work and advance. We take the delay key and place it under the DC motor. Click on the upper corner to see the time options and select it to advance for 20 seconds. Note to make it stop. We select chips and takes DC motors again and activate bottom motors with the difference that this time the speed will be 0 so that it stops.
The DC motor both have to be in 0. Confirm. Okay, now we take the on command on chips and turn on port 1 and 2. Then we take the command delay, programming it for 6 seconds. Same action to turn it off. We take the chip off button and turn on both ports to turn it off. Now, for the robot to turn to the right, we will take another DC motor and after turning on both motors, the speed of the one on the left should be 0, and we will leave the one in the right at 10% of speed. Then we select the command delay and we program it for 2 seconds, which will be the time it will do the action in total. Once this is done, this movement will be repeated 3 times. We'll copy from the command forward to the last command, delay. This will make up our entire circuit.
Well, what do we
Now,
do with this? With these commands, our robots manage to go through the 4 producing areas, starting in the first and moving towards to the second, stepping at the second, third, and fourth, and ending in the first again.
this was our evidence for phase 3 of Introduction to Robotics.